Hey guys, today we're back with cards and stickers, joined with your host, Parody Callum. I'm a cool guy. If you don't know me, I'm a cool guy. Yeah. The camera's really shaky, but that's okay. Today we're going to be opening some of these cards, Avengers cards. So today, first I'm going to open this. Anyway, so here's Captain America, Iron Man, Thor, and Hulk. And then we've got a special Captain America card. Shiny card. Limited edition card, I think. But anyway, let's get into this. Fuck. Can't get into it. Right, so here we have the packet of special cards. Let's open it. So we have Captain America. What's that on my fucking phone? Captain America. Put them there. And then we have Frost Giant. He's cool. Or a tiny Hulk. He's very thick. Oh. 95 attack. He's a fucking beast. Crossbones. He's awesome. By the way, guys, I might change my voice a bit if you notice. So, yeah, just put some comments in the comment section below saying that stuff. Anyway, this is Loki. Really nice card, really sexy. In the camera, you can see that's very tiny, And here we have Union Jack. It looks like Deadpool, but he looks like he's a British version. He could be from Scotland, Wales, Ireland, Northern Ireland. That sounds weird. Why do I sound weird? I don't know. Or England. And then we have Odin. Cool guy. Ooh, trick shot. Yeah, he's cool. Then we have Arsenal. That's also a team. Football team. Funny. But anyway. So here we have the, I don't know really. Here we have the card game thing that they usually have. Don't care about that. And here's the folder where you keep all the stuff in. So first we're going to put in the first one. I don't think this is the first one, to be honest. Oh fuck. Here it is. Here's the one that goes up the front. Let me just put that in. Won't be a minute. I'm a fucking spastic. I can't put it in the fucking binder. I've done it, I think, wait. I've done it, mate. Prick. But anyway, so here it is, here's the binder. Very sexy, have to admit. Yeah. Anyway, we're going to put it in the back one now, which we just put in. Let's put that there so you have something to look at. Let's put it so you can read it. There you go. All the cards explained, cool quiz questions, and what's that say? Picture checklist. Well, aren't I awesome? Why can't I get this in the binder? I've done it. And then we put this in the back as usual. How we do it, lads. Keep it safe. Makes it more chunky as well. I like it when it's chunky. Don't you like it when it's chunky? I like it when it's chunky. Straight to my level G, this schoolboy cute. But anyway, here it is. Here's the binder. So open it up. Haven't got anything, but inside's very cool with some characters. I have no clue who are. That's, I forgot his name, but yeah, I know who that is. That's Black Widow. Boobies. Sorry about that. That is the guy with the arrows. Yep, forgot his name as well. I'm more of a DC person, so I'm not sure what their names are. I know them, but I forget their names. Oh, I think that's Hawkeye. Yes, Hawkeye. Yes. Naughty business. But anyway, this is Red Skull from Captain America, the bad guy. So, guys, we're going to be opening this now, which is pretty cool. Yeah. Let's open this. It comes with 5 packs. I can't count, but I did it. Got there eventually. So anyway, let's just get in there. To be honest, I don't really care, to be honest. But anyway, I can't seem to get this open. Right, so guys, I think look, I got a limited edition fucking 4, mate. Mate, you gel. Are you fucking mad, bro? Oh, I'm so awesome. Why am I so awesome? So anyway, this is very sexy. Put that in our pile. This is our pile so far. Look at it. Very sexy. Right, it's open. It's open the pack. I said this open the. Let's open the pack. Oh fuck! I moved the camera. Oops. Oh. Earthquake! Sucking dick. Anyway, so we're in our first pack ever of Avengers dick sucking. And right, so we got Midgard Serpent. I don't know why that took me so long to say that. Ultron, he looks fucking cool, doesn't he? I don't even know if I got that in the camera. But anyway, Ultron, he's a fucking cool guy, isn't he? Shiny, big head man. His name is I'm trying to read it from the camera, but the M-O-D-O-K. Modoc. But anyway. Union Jack again. What a prick. What a prick. Captain Marvel. He's a cool guy. He's a cool guy. Oh, one of these. Oh, it's like a picture card. It makes a picture card. That made no sense. It's like makes a whole thing. Oh, it doesn't matter what I'm saying because I'm a cunt. But anyway, here we got Shaw. He's a fucking gangster, mate. Oh, first awesome card. Look at that. It's fucking sick, mate. Wow. Wow. But anyway, put that in our pile. This is going to be quite a long video, I don't know. But it is. It is. If it's not, then I don't know. I don't know what I'm saying. Don't really know what's wrong with my voice. Got so many fucking accents at the moment. But here's our first thingy. It tells us how to play the game and shit. That can fuck off. I don't know where that went. But I don't give a toss. Fuck you, motherfucker. So let's just turn these over. Right. Enough with the silly accents. I'll get back to my normal voice. Because I don't like to be silly. Being silly is fucking stupid. Cunt. Komodo. She's cool. If that is a she. I think that's a she. She. I can't say she. She. But anyway. And we got Zada. Iron Man. He's cool. Another one of these picture cards, as I called them. But I don't really know what they are called, to be honest. Well, it might say on the back. No, it just doesn't say, does it? He's a fucking prick. He's a cunt. He's a fucking cunt. Fucking helmet boy, innit, mate? Hammer, Thor. That's one of these weapon cards. Pretty cool, pretty cool. Fin Fang Foom. Pretty cool guy. I met him once. He's a pretty cool guy. Nick Fury, that's his name. He's a fucking cool guy, isn't he, mate? Ultron. Holy shit. What? Ah! Oh, does that hurt your eyes? Because that really hurts my fucking eyes, mate. Let me try it again. Oh, bloody hell. Oh, fuck. But anyway, we've got Ultron. He's a cool guy. Just don't stick to there, you twat. You fucking dickhead. Put that to our pile. Okay, we've got 3 more to open of our starter pack things. Oh my god, I can't get this open. I'm fucking twerking because I can't get it open. Open? I mean off the board thing. Anyway. Oh fuck! I didn't mean to do that. As you can tell. Why would I do it on purpose? But anyway. The inside of the packets are very nice. Packets themselves are quite nice as well. Don't know if these are like limited edition packs because they look quite cool. I got 4. He's pretty cool. As you can see, he's very shiny. We got Troll. We got Troll, mate. His name is fucking Troll. It's fucking Helmet Boy. Look, he's got a helmet on. Fucking Helmet Boy Origins, mate. Fucking Count Netheria. He's cool. He looks like he could do some damage. Chitaru. He looks like a nice lad. I would meet him sometime. Maybe have a little cup of tea and a little cheesecake. Looks like a cool guy. Oh, we got Modoc in normal form this time. Fucking crazy guy, actually. I wouldn't want to meet him. He looks fucking crazy. Oh. What's that guy? It's that guy. Chiturio. Don't know how to say his name, to be honest, but, you know, seems like a cool guy. Speed Demon. Oh, he looks like a nice lad. He could take a beating. And we've got another one of them. Okay. Add that to our pile of dicks. I mean, of cards. Marvel Avengers cards. Obviously not dicks. That's just weird. Because, you know, that's just not me, is it? It's not me. Why would I have a collection of dicks? It makes no sense. Just makes no fucking sense, does it? Bulldozer, another helmet boy. Fucking helmet boy, mate. Fucking helmet boy. Oh, Jesus. Atlantarian. Royal Guard. He just looks like a Mexican fish. Fucking hell. Iron Man. Oh, we got that fucking guy again, but in shiny. For fuck's sake. Got him 3 times now, mate. Can't see his name in the fucking thingy. The camera angle, you can't see it from there. Not camera angle. What's it called? Lighting. I know words. But now you can see it. Now you can see it. Chitari. Oh, Jesus, my neck hurts. Oh, Jesus. What is that? It's Fiona on steroids. Oh, Jesus. Oh, Jesus. Get away. That's disgusting. Actually, turn it over. Fucking gross. It's fucking Godzilla. Mini Godzilla. Devil dinosaur. I mean, it's the devil when it's a dinosaur, so perfect name. Giant Man. Not Ant-Man. Giant Man. He's just Ant-Man's dad. What a prick. It's fucking 4. Shiny, mate. Shiny 4, mate. He's a fucking sexy guy, mate. He just is. Just a fucking sexy guy. Put that to our pile. And then open. This can't open today. What is opening? Oh, I can't get it off the fucking... You know how hard this is to get off the board without doing damage to myself. I don't want to rip this spine apart. Right. I don't know how it would do that, but, you know, I don't know what bullshit I'm talking half the time I speak. Oh, that's a very sexy card. Hawkeye. So I was right. Yeah, his name's Hawkeye. That is a fucking sexy card. Jesus. Look at it. Beautiful, mate. Beautiful. And then we got Wadigo. Well, he's just cool, isn't he? He's just cool. Then we got Darlene Wilson. She's bald. Yeah. We got the Great Gambindios, the 2 twins. I don't know what they do, but I imagine they morph into shit. I don't know. Never heard of them, but anyway. Princess Python. Okay, that skirt's a bit too high. You slut. You fucking slut. Holy shit. This guy's fucking sick. Oh, it's Hydra. I know Hydra. But he's in a suit. Oh, it's a weapon. Blaster. He's fucking sick, mate. Fucking sick. Look at that. Oh no, I'm a stupid idiot. I was seeing it as Hydro, the villain. But it's Hydra from Captain America. You see that logo? Wait. That logo. That logo.
is Hydra. Red Skull's little guys. And then Shield, Captain America's obviously, mate. Fucking Dick, the leader. Fucking hell. Thinks he's so big-headed. Look at his head. So big-headed. So, that's all the packs. I guess that's all the packs. So, let us just go through what we have here. We have quite a big pile of shit. Jesus Christ. Jesus Christ. Oh, Jesus. Oh, Jesus. I'm not going to put in the cards in the video because that'll just be such a long video, but I will put them in after the video. Oh, Jesus. What is it? It's fucking ugly, mate. It's so fucking ugly. But anyway, let us just show you my cards that I got in this video, that I will put in the book after this video, which is awesome. Not for you guys. You probably don't give a shit. You're probably not even watching this till the end. You might not even go on the fucking video. But anyway, look. I'm just going to show them. I'm not going to say their names. Just showing them. I'm pretty close to the fucking camera. That guy's upside down. So's he. He's not. Union Jack man. I don't care about the others. They can go fuck themselves. With a black dildo. Don't know why it has to be black, but it does. But anyway, so here's our book. That didn't really work, but... And then, here's our cards. So, this was a pack opening video parody. I mean, Avengers pack opening. Hope you enjoyed, and I hope you get to marry a woman that looks like this in the future. So anyway, bye. Love you.